Hello everyone. So today I'm gonna talk about my postcard mock-ups and postcards. The first one I'm going to do is let's see, where is it? This one is a city nearby where I live, McAllen, Texas. I had a little bit of a hard time finding images for this town, but I did whatever I could. Honestly, I think compared to the second one I'm about to present, I didn't have any trouble with the text. I used the Futura bold text, and I just switched up the colors. I learned from I did the design based on what I had learned in like the video when we did the Abilene postcard. So I just just took all the tips from there and used it on here. Let's see. I did adjust. I put some photo filters on here, and I did pretty much what I did with the previous postcard also. And I just on the bottoms I chose these colors. I thought it would go well with this, and then the background also. But other than that, I don't think I had really any trouble with this postcard. Let's see, here's the final image to this one. And let's see, the second one I did was one of Russia. Now, this was the one I had a little bit of trouble doing. I chose a different font for this one, but I had trouble with the inside of the lettering right here, because when I use the magic wand tool, it wouldn't select just one lettering, so I ended up having to select it manually. But I guess it wasn't too hard because I just like pressed on it, and it would select the single letter, but the magic wand tool selected like all, like the entire and like font lettering right here. But I did add extra stroke on Photoshop, so you could see like the stroke like on the greetings from and everything. It doesn't look too bad, but once again, like I didn't really have an issue with this one other than the lettering. So this is the final image that I did. It's coming up. There we go. So pretty much I just used what I did in my last postcard. I just added a photo filter. I increased the opacity on this photo right here so it could look a little bit more, I guess, vintage, even though that some of these are from like the city part of Russia. But it still looks pretty vintage. So this is all I have to say. Thank you all for watching.